This is Mrs. Knopf, and today we are going to continue in our method book with line 52, four-part little star. And this video is going to concentrate on the A line for line 52. So hopefully you've noticed we have four lines. We have an A line, a B line, a C line, and a D line. And we have several of these brackets where we're going to have a total of four of each part, 4 lines for each part. So we are focusing on the A line today. So starting on our first A line, we have our treble clef, and then we have our time signature. We are in 2/4 time. The top number tells us how many beats are in each measure. The bottom number gives us the value of the whole note if we had one. So if we had a whole note, it would get 4 beats. Half of a whole is a half, and half of 4 is 2, so the half notes get 2 beats. And half of a half is a quarter, half of 2 is 1, so the quarter notes get 1 beat. Now we're just going to look at line 1, and we're going to look for patterns with our notes and rhythms. So we start out with 2 C's, and those are open, no valves down. Then we have 2 G's, again, no valves down, just faster air. Then we have 2 A's, first and second valve down, and then a half note G. Then we're just going to come down our scale. We have 2 quarter note F's, 2 quarter note E's, 2 quarter note D's, and I kicked out that third valve slide, and a half note C. So I'm going to go ahead and play this first line. I would like for you to play along with me. And I have my metronome set to 88 beats per minute. So let me also make this adjustment. All right. Feel free to play along, or you can just listen. 1, 2, ready. And that's it for the very first line A. And I also started each note with a t sound, and hopefully you are doing that as well. Now I'm going to scroll down, and here is our next line A. It's exactly the same as our first line A. So we're not going to go over that by itself. We've already done it. So now we're going to keep on scrolling and go to the next page. And here's our third line A. It's completely different from the first 2 that we encountered. So now we start on G's. We have 2 quarter note G's, and we walk part way down our scale. 2 quarter note F's, 2 quarter note E's, and a half note D, and then we do that same pattern again. So I still have my metronome at 88 beats per minute, and I'm going to go ahead and play this third line A. 1, 2, ready. Now, there is one more line A, and it's exactly like the first 2 line A's. So, what I'm going to do, because I am not fancy and I cannot physically play and scroll at the same time, let you know exactly where we are, I'm going to set this up so that I will play this bottom line A 2 times. Then I'm going to go back up and play the line A at the top, which is the third line A, and then come back down to the bottom and play it one more time. If we're talking about form in music, big ideas, then I would say our form is A, A, B, A. Not to confuse you with playing the A line. But if we're talking big ideas, the first line is the first idea, so we would call it A in form. The second line is the same idea as the first, so we would also call that A, but the third line of this part is different, so we would call that the B theme. So we've got an A theme, another A theme, a B theme, and then we end on an A theme. I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to slow down my metronome just a little bit to 84 beats per minute. And I hope you can play along. So we're going to do the bottom line twice, the top line once, and then back to the bottom line, part A. Here we go. 1, 2, ready. And I hope you noticed 4-part Little Star is really Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. And the A line was the melody. I hope this has been helpful, and we'll see you next time.